Tomachelo matimore kaunti ma Siaya ni jotelo mano ma Siaya onyiso luoro ewi medruok mano mar kwan jomatindo magamo kute mag ayaki kata doko ni temo go kenge mago makedo gi tuono. Ka oloso kinde nyasi mano mar godiochieng' jiwo lweny kedo gi ayaki, Director marango ngima oganda e kaunti ma Siaya Dr. Kennedy Orwenjo wacho ni Siaya pod en achiel kuom counties mantie nyime kod kwan ma ji magamo kute mag ayaki kata odoko ni okenge to setem goyo mana duoko tuono chien. Siaya sani ochung' e atamalo 9.8 mar landruok tuono, kendo kata kamano okang' osego ka ipimo gi higa mokalo.
To encourage every county to begin setting aside some resources for HIV response for your own county. And you ring-fence the funds that you put aside so that we are able to respond. Tumelalia bahati ya wenzetu kutoka nje, mlango ukiwa wazi kwa muda mrefu.
The assurance that has been given by our casco here is that we have the medicine with us. So that should go to the public so that we do not, of course, lie on the gains that are already made. So an HIV-free generation is within reach. The first step is simple. Every one of us should know our HIV status. Testing empowers individuals to make informed decisions and protect their loved ones. We are also confronted with high rates of teenage pregnancy at 21% and gender-based violence at 24%. Factors that heighten vulnerability to HIV among our youth.
If you look at the age of 15 and 24, these are in secondary schools, they are in colleges and tertiary institutions. If you look at the new infections, annual new infections, almost 50% of the new infections come from the age of 15 and 24. So it's a worrying trend, it's a worrying challenge, which if we don't put our hands together, it means our future is at threat.